Hi guys, now here today I'm going to teach you something really interesting. This will help you to add a variety to your speaking and writing sentences. जनरली हम देखते हैं कि हम एक जैसे sentences या sentence starters यूज़ करते हैं हमारे कंटेंट को बोलने के लिए, लिखने के लिए. आज हम इस टॉपिक के ज़रिए कैसे शब्दों को हम चेंज कर सकते हैं, उनके फॉर्म्स चेंज करके सेंटेंस में क्या चेंजेस ला सकते हैं. सो फर्स्ट एंड फॉरमोस्ट, व्हाट इज ए जेरेंड? जेरेंड वो ing फॉर्म के वर्ड्स है जो जनरली नाउन या वर्ब को सपोर्ट करते हैं. Let me give you an example. अब ये एक simple sentence है. My favorite pastime is to tell stories to children. Generally हम ऐसे ही sentences reading या listening, speaking या writing में we come across. And this is what and how we generally write in writing task of IELTS, or this is how we speak also. Now, what can I do to change this simple, boring sentence? How about this change? What do I have? I have my favorite pastime. Now this becomes the subject. Is your main verb. To tell stories to children, right? Okay. What can I do? Can I pick this tell and make my sentence? How it will look? See, just have a close look. So what have I done? I have taken telling stories to children is my favorite pastime. क्या आप ये लिख सकते हैं? Yes, बिल्कुल, ये आपको आता है. Now इसमें क्या हुआ actually? अब ये जो verb है उसको मैंने gerund बना दिया. जेरेंड बनाया मतलब क्या किया? This is my stories, this is my noun. And I have somewhat converted it into an adjective kind, but it also looks like a verb, right? So this is your gerund, which is supporting a noun. So basically gerund क्या करते हैं? Gerund support करते हैं noun को and verb. This is a simple example. I am very much sure ये आप लोगों को आता है. एक और तरीका gerund को यूज करना वो मैं आपको बताती हूँ. I like to drink tea in the evening, for example. Now this is my simple sentence. What is the other way of converting this sentence into a little better one? So can I say I like. Now I remove this. So I have written I like drinking tea in the evening. So this drinking, which was previously drink, which was a verb, I converted it into a gerund and changed to my sentence. So you can try changing such kind of sentences. Let's take a few more examples to have a complete clear idea about it. I'll give you a few direct examples. So here, which is the gerund? Yes, this is the gerund. We have started the sentence with gerund. So telling truth is very difficult for him. Let us see few more examples of this. Now here I have written a sentence. Telling the truth is very difficult for him. Or if we would have written it in a simple way or spoken it in a simple way, it is very difficult for him to tell the truth. एकदम simple sentence, पर मैंने इस simple sentence को एक gerund start दे के मेरे sentence की quality uplift कर दी. So एक gerund वाला sentence बनाना इतना difficult नहीं है. You can target a verb and you can try making the sentence or giving the sentence a gerund start. Let us see few more. Children like to see flying birds. Now, what is the meaning of this sentence? Children like to see the birds which fly. So, birds जो fly करती है, इसको मैंने reverse करके flying जो या fly जो verb है, उसको मैंने adjective बना दिया. किस type की birds children like? Children like the birds that fly or the birds who fly. So here I have converted that fly verb into a gerund, and which now becomes children like to see flying birds, the birds which are flying. So now birds is a noun, this becomes a gerund. Apart from this, you might have also naturally used gerunds. Before I can say prepositions, just see. Now this is a sentence that I have written. Now here I have used the preposition. Before meeting him, she was not that soft-hearted. So here the so-called verb becomes a gerund, which as such looks like a verb, but here it is playing the role of gerund. So जब भी अगर आपने सुना भी होगा कि जनरली जब हम preposition यूज़ करते हैं और उसके पीछे verb आता है तो वो ing form में जनरली आता है. तो what is that ing form? That ing form is nothing but a gerund. So this kind of sentence starters can help you to change the form of sentences that you are writing, either it is in your task 1 or task 2 like essay. So ये एक ऐसा तरीका है जिसके वजह से आप आपके कंटेंट में, चाहे वो राइटिंग है या स्पीकिंग है, एक वैरायटी ऐड कर सकते हो. उससे क्या होगा? उससे ये होगा कि जब आप एक वैरायटी ऐड करते हो, it shows that you know grammar, you know how to use grammar efficiently and correctly, which in turn helps your examiner to pull up your bands in writing and speaking under the category of grammatical range and accuracy. So don't forget to practice this. Don't forget to implement this while you are writing or speaking.